On 28 September 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had joined leaders of the Shillong All-Faith Forum to celebrate with the Central Puja Committee the 28th Get-Together of Harmony at Kench, Shillong. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Conrad Sangma said that the coming together of leaders of all faiths is the victory of good over evil and will re-strengthen bonds of peace and brotherhood among various communities. Sangma also thanked the Central Puja Committee for organizing the program and the members of the Shillong All-Faith Forum for their support to the CPC.
The galaxy of people who are here today from different walks of life is in itself a very strong and powerful message of harmony. While I say that, I understand that there are a large number of challenges we face in society today. As a state, as a country, as a world, we realize that different issues are there. And as was correctly mentioned by Bishop P. Lingdo, that there is no dearth of individuals who would like to take advantage, create the incorrect narrative of the entire situation, and try to create communal tension among the people. So therefore today's program, and a very, very appropriate program when we're having it just before Durga Puja, of having this kind of a harmony program, is in a way another message of victory of good over evil. And therefore it gives me immense pleasure to be here in this program today after a long gap, I should say, because of COVID. And as I had mentioned many years back also in the similar program, that this kind of program that we're having, the get-together we're having, is a message that is going to be covered and appreciated not just in Shillong, but throughout the state and throughout the country.